Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple shield effect in UE5.1 Niagara and I will create it from scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So I have this third person template in UE5.1. Okay, so I can walk around. So this is the folder I will create. So first thing I will create a Niagara and I'll just take the fountain effects. Okay, okay. The next thing will be if I'll go to my third person folder and blueprint. This is the player blueprint. So I want to add my effects here, this one. So if I just directly connect this here, select the mesh and